Hello and good afternoon. I am Jay Potter. In today's video, I want to talk to you about something serious, and that is my involvement with hockey and different speculations about the Thunder. When I was growing up, my dad, he told me about hockey. I got hooked instantly. But to me, I respect hockey. I respect hockey teams. I only need one team right now, the Adirondack Thunder. But the whole point to this video is I'm talking about creative marketing. What I mean is, why is our team called the Adirondack Thunder? And I can tell you why. In 2015, it was Calgary's idea to pull the Stockton Thunder to Glens Falls, rename them as the Adirondack Thunder in the team cuddles of Calgary. I'm okay with that. That's cool. But my problem is this. the NHL, New York Islanders, their affiliate was Stockton at the time. So why would Calgary say to the Islanders, they said to them, can we move your affiliate to Glens Falls? Did the Islanders approve of that decision, what Calgary did? To me, it makes sense. But the whole point is, I wanted the Islanders to move their affiliate to Glens Falls and then rename it in a press conference. I had to go to a place called the Bullpen at the time to find out what's going on. So Brian Petrovic came out and said about stuff about the new team that came. Again, why was this press conference, why would it be held in a pub? That does not make no sense at all. That's what I'm saying. My creative ideas for the Thunder is better. I mean, number one, at the time we got a new mascot called Gunnar. Alright, so that name, I want you guys to look that up. Right? And it's this mascot was about mythology. That doesn't make it, to me, that does not make no sense according to the team name. Think about this. Look at the team called the Wichita Thunder. They have the same name as Adirondack's name. Adirondack Thunder. Wichita Thunder. I think it's time for a name change for our local team of the Adirondack Thunder, because their affiliate now is New Jersey and Utica. And I was told that the Utica Comets, they're gonna change their logo to the Devils. That's what I was told. That's what I'm talking about. And also, excuse me for one sec. That's what I'm saying to you guys, because like, to me, like, I posted something on this, and I'm not gonna say people's names, but they said to take it down. That's not right, because I do respect the team on what they have done. Nice players, you know, they do things with fans sometimes. Like, when we have the veterans here, I'm not going to say, I said this before, I'm not allowed to say names, but my own sister dated a hockey player who was from the Adirondack Red Wings. Number 7, Derek Mayer. I'm not making this up, and don't tell me that I am. Because I got things. I got hockey cards, sweatpants, hockey sticks. And I have one right behind me. Signed for my birthday, and they gave me that stick. So, that's what I'm saying. Because people don't understand what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about because my father told me about the business about hockey. Like for example, look at the team of the Thunder, for example, alright? Now, you know what I would do is, our team colors is red, white, silver, and black, I think. Alright, now, to me, that does not add up. Because, number one, you have to match up your affiliations team color from New Jersey and Utica's team colors. And that's what I'm saying. Because I know how to market a team. No. I got that one. I know how to market things. My cousin told me that. He said I was a good marketer. And if anyone on YouTube tells me different, I'm not going to listen to you. Because, you know why? Because I was told that I was a good marketer. I helped my cousin out with his construction job. I have business cards of his so I can hand out. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. What I said. We had players over. Like Stuart Malgunas. He came over one time. Because he knew me, personally, Derek Mayer. And some other players as well. I forget. But my dad at the time was the principal of a school. I'm not going to say where. They had like 5 or 6 Adirondack veteran players to read a book to to the to the to the students, and for the Thunder, same thing. They do the same thing. They will go to a school and promote their team by doing stuff for the company who they work for, Adirondack Thunder. But I wish for like I just don't understand why, which I said in the beginning of the video about the idols. And I don't like to repeat myself. What I mean is this. I mean, it was, which I said at that time, 2015, the idols had their affiliate in California, Stockton. So why would Calgary buy Stockton away from the idols? Let the Islanders move their ECHL team, not Calgary. It'd be cooler. I mean, that's what I'm saying. That's why I like to help out. Like, I take notes on each player who we sign. Then I go into a website to find out what their stats are like, if they are good or not good. Because I know what I'm talking about. And I hope you understand. You need to favorite, like, share the video, smash the like button over, how about 17 times? And turn on your notifications, turn on the house bells, be informed with every video. On a side note, I want you guys to do me a favor. When I'm talking to you guys, you do not converse with me on what you want for content. Do you want hockey news? Do you want my thoughts on each game for the Thunder? Albums? What do you want? You're not even talking to me. You need to talk. Two-way street. Me here, you guys here. I talk, then you respond. See my point? I am Dr. Feelgood, J. Potter. I'll see you this year at the Adirondack Thunder Games.